Hello, this is Nevis here. I'm just showing how I'm creating this course using Course Generator. So I've just signed in and I'm about to get shown how to create the course. So let's go to the first step. It says up here, click Generate Course button in the navigation bar. Then next is, generate course first then click, enter the main topic, Business English for Admins, done. Then the next, to generate a structured outline, generate course. Okay, so now I'm ready to review your course and click generate course to create the final course. So, okay. Okay, so it's just created it. I'm going to click on get started, and congratulations, you've completed the onboarding process. You're now ready to create amazing courses. Okay, let's click OK. Oh, finally we have a white screen to see. All right, so let's have a look at what it's done for me. We're previewing it now. I can change the heading if I want. Okay, looks quite good. That was really fast. I didn't even have to add in any information. It's very good. This looks quite good. Okay, it doesn't even ask me how long I wanted the course for, but yeah, that sounds pretty good. I can add assignments and quiz. Okay, let's preview the landing page. Wow, there are the colors that I chose before. It looks quite nice. I don't know what this is meant to be. Probably looking quite good. Maybe too much spacing, more than I would have expected. Maybe I would have done something different. And there's an image as well. Okay, that looks really good. Happy with that. So now I'm just going to get out of no resource available. Okay, so there I haven't got any resources. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Okay, sounds quite good. So thank you for watching me do this.